All right, guys, this is part 3. In case you haven't been, if you missed part 1 and 2, this is part 3. We're restoring a Chevelle dash with this stuff here. You want to get the one with the wheel on it. This is what I'm using. So when I get done, we'll do close-ups and we'll see exactly how it all turned out. And I even did a rough surface on this, which I'll show you how that's the trim that goes across the dash on a Chevelle 1967 Chevelle. So I'm going to spray this last coat on here. You guys can watch me do it. And we'll see if this chrome spray actually works. And then we'll talk about something else. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do number 3 coat. And then I'll give you guys a close-up with a light on it, and we'll see how it looks. When you put your coats on, it flattens it right out. Dulls it out like it's not going to be shiny. Really strange stuff. Okay, I think I got it good enough. I don't put too much on it and run it, you know. Especially at $45 a can of this stuff. And really, it doesn't, for $45, you don't get a whole lot. I can tell when I spray it. I'm going to show you, I'll show you what I'm spraying here in a second. Hold on. Spraying that trim that goes on across the dash. The dash is black, so I'm doing all of the original stuff that's supposed to be silver, or doing my own thing. You guys that know me I like to do my own thing. Three coats of that trim over there, and this piece right here, I used a good half a can on that. Let me get a light on this. Let me get my light. It is so shiny, honestly. Let me see if you can see it. Different shots. It is. I'm going to say it's a 9 out of 10 on looking for that chrome. It's that good. I am very impressed with that. Yeah, very impressed. And what I did over here on this piece here, this trim that goes across the dash, to give it this texture, let me show you what I did. I used this stuff right here, okay? You can't always find it. It's kind of hard to find. But you can get it at Walmart sometimes. It goes really quick. There's what it looks like. So I put that rough texture on there, and then I sprayed it with that chrome. Man, it looks freaking good. So anyway, I'm giving this stuff a thumbs up, and I hope that it helped you guys out. Let me show you the can one more time of this stuff. Okay, and you're looking at $45 just for this little can. Anyway, get another shot. I just walk around it. I'm noticing as it's sitting here, it's getting shinier. It's really nice. Anyway, Good stuff. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We got more stuff coming up that I'm going to be doing and trying out. And yeah, over and out.